Now guys, now the next performer is Sushil Kumar is in front of you and he'll deliver a horror story. That is not horror, that is something special story instead of other general stories. It can be horror, it can be enthusiastic, it can be funny, anything, more masala type story it is. So let's welcome Sushil. Yes, Sushil.
Hello, good evening, all of you. Good evening. My name is Sushil, as sir told you. My topic is horror story. So, let me start. Once upon a time, a poor farmer used to live in the hut in a small village. And he was very honest man and very hardworking guy. And his name was Aaron. He used to work in the farm and always taking lunch under the shade of tree. And that same tree, one which also used to live on that same tree. And while noticing his hard work and honesty, she got impressed. Oh wow, he's a very handsome guy. I will take him soul to the graveyard and we will both live together. He's very sexy and he will be the king of ghosts. I will be the queen of witch. She was dreaming like that. And one day, Aaron was sleeping in his house. And she came. She came and she was standing beside the window. And she was knocked. She was saying, Aaron, if you want to fulfill your wishes, come at the 12 o'clock in the graveyard in the moonless night. I will give you all the wishes and whatever you want. Once upon a time, is it done? Once upon a time, a poor farmer used to live in the hut in the small village. He was very honest and a very hardworking man. And he used to work in a farm and always taking his lunch under the shade of tree. And on the same tree, one witch used to live on that. And she was thinking, while noticing his hard work and honesty, she got impressed. Wow, he's a very sexy man. He will be my husband. I will take him soul to the graveyard and he will be the king of ghosts. I will be the queen of witch. She was dreaming like that. And one day, Aaron was sleeping in his house and she came there. She was knocking. Aaron was sleeping still. She was looking, oh, he's sleeping over there. But she said, Aaron, if you want to fulfill your wishes, come to the graveyard at 12 o'clock in the moonless night. I will give you all the things those you want in your life. By hearing this thing, Aaron woke up. Aaron came out the house and he was looking here and there, but nobody was there. She disappeared. And Aaron was thinking, what happened with me? What I heard? He was thinking all these things. And he was thinking one more thing. I am doing very hard work in the farms. Even then I'm not getting 2 times up supper in the day. So why? It will be better I will go there and I will get the whole money from her. But he was coward also. He was caring. He called his friend. Can you come now? Because I want to say something to very, very unique thing, very exciting story. Then he came, his friend came. Friend name was Neeraj. He came on the same night. He was asking, what happened? He told the whole story. Aaron told the whole story to the Neeraj. Then Neeraj was very honest and he was very minded also, very brilliant man. He said, okay, I will go with you, definitely. Don't worry at all. But I will give you my opinion. Let's go to the necromancer and we will discuss something. And he will give us something to protect the problem whatever we will get in the graveyard. Then he got it. Yeah, let's go. They went the same midnight to the necromancer. And necromancer was sitting like this in the meditation pose. Then they both came. He was saying, what happened? Why you came? They both said, sir, necromancer, please give some solution. We heard this and this things. Then he said, okay, don't worry at all, my dears. Come to me, sit down. I will give you solution, and you will be succeed in your work. Then they both said, sir, please tell us something. Tell us. And okay, I understood your all problem. They told everything, the scenario. Aaron told everything to the necromancer. And necromancer said, okay, you have to take the lemon before entering the graveyard, put the clove inside and dip in the blood and throw to the right side before entering the graveyard. It will save you to the bad soul in the graveyard. And one more thing, hang the chicken neck on the door of graveyard and light the candle under the tree. It will protect you the power of moonless night. They did the same thing. Yes, tomorrow was moonless night. They both went. They were standing in front of the graveyard. They were shivering like this. And then Aaron's friend said, okay, let's go. Why you are scaring? Let's go inside. And he was saying, yaar, my ass is busting. I cannot enter. But it's okay. We will be rich. Go. Then they did the same thing. They took the blood lemon, they throw to the right side, and they look, the whole soul, the coming towards the lemon, and they bind the neck of chicken and they light the candle, and they were entering inside, and they were shivering, they were entering, and they heard the horror sound, and they scared a lot, they were sweating a lot, and Aaron heard the witch sound. Aaron, my darling, come to my grave. Come straight. It's right front of you. Come straight. And Aaron got hypnotized with his voice, and he was walking. And his friend was saying, where are you going, bloody idiot? Why are you walking forward? But he was walking. He got hypnotized with his voice. And suddenly witch said, okay, Aaron, ask me whatever you want. Then his throat was dry on that time. He was shivering, and he said, I want precious diamond and golds. Will you give me? Yes, the soul of witch came outside from the grave, and she moved his hand, the precious gold and diamond visible front of him. Then suddenly he was thinking, then witch said, I did your wish, and now you have to fulfill my wish. Come into my grave and sleep with me. And he was scared. He was remembering the word of necromancer, and he was remembering one thing those necromancer told, don't forget the paste, the Bajrang Bali photo on your chest under the clothes. This thing also said necromancer. And he was thinking, yeah, I have the Bajrang Bali photo. She cannot do anything. Then he made his heart brave. He entered to the grave. He was sleeping. Suddenly, the body of witch was moving. And she was looking with the white and yellow eyes. And she was opening the mouth to eat his body. And suddenly, he opened his clothes in front of her. And while looking of the photo, the light of photo, she got burned. Witch got burned on the spot. And they both ran from there, take the precious diamond and gold. They started living luxurious life. Thank you. This is all my story.
Done?